Hi guys, Datix here. Welcome back to my new video. So it's been many years that most of you guys still stuck playing Grand Theft Auto 5. Indeed, this game is so pleasing to play, and still it's quite popular among gamers, not because of its gameplay but for its development, like various mods, scripts, GTA Online and more. So it's still favorite of mine as well. So guys, in this video I will show you top best 15 mods of GTA 5 since its launch. Yes guys, since its launch, which means 2013. So let's see the best mods in these 7 years. So let's start with our first mod. So our very first mod is Open All Interior mode. This mods open up all the interior in the game with fully functional doors and all the equipment inside, with some pets roaming around interiors. So basically all the apartments, building, shop, etc. all remain open within the game. So if you got bored with Outer World, you can do lot of stuff inside these interiors. Our next mode is No Water Tsunami Atlantis mode. This mode turns city into either a drought or tsunami aftermath or the lost city of Atlantis. This adds a whole other world for you to explore under the surface or a completely new experience for the city. So it's supposed to be a fun to play mod where you can explore or interact a lot of stuff which you haven't aware of. So our next mode is 2-player mode. If you don't have GTA Online, don't worry. This mode helps you to play as a 2 individual character in GTA 5 single player. Just plug your controller and play as an individual and co-op with your other friend in just one screen. So this mode is also fun to play and you can download this. Our next mode is LSPD First Response. Playing as a gangster have become old-fashioned now. Now it's time to serve for your country and for your city. GTA 5's LSPD First Response mode is one of the best mode of the game and lets the user play as the police, and this mode feature in-depth character creator, LSPD themed weapons and cars, so it's the best mode which you can try out. So our next mode is Vice City Overhaul. Vice City mode is some kind of Vice City remastered where you can experience Vice City with GTA 5 environment. So you know Vice City map isn't too big map, so some of genius modders add Vice City beside Los Santos where you can teleport yourself and refresh your old GTA memories. Our next mode is Complex Control mode, and yes, it's complex to play and install, but it's fun to play. It's a kind of battle royale mode where you play as an avatar with different abilities and a lot of features just like in any battle royale. So you have to definitely try this mode out, and yes, it's only for single player. Our next mode is Zombie mode. Zombie Apocalypse is challenging and fun to watch, but playing this in GTA is a whole new experience. This mode turns all the pedestrians to zombie which will try to kill you. You have to kill them, and also you have to survive by making shelter, collecting food and different stuffs. So developers really have done great job by creating this mode, and yes, you will surely like this mode. Our next mode is Gangs of Los Santos. If you remember GTA San Andreas, there's an involvement of lots of gang war kind of thing. We have to occupy territory by killing them, by killing gangs. So yeah, it's back on GTA 5. But this mode, Los Santos is not safe anymore, and as a GTA fan, you will surely going to love this mode. Our next mode is, like all of you know about it, it's necessary and important modes you can say, which is trainers like menu and native trainer where you can ease your gameplay with couple of extraordinary things like spawn, teleporting, playing with gravity, increase, decrease, literally anything in your game. Basically you can play with in-game file with this mod. Our next mode is Map Editor. Like the name suggests, you can edit map of your game, adding props, environment, adding subtracting things from the map, from the environment. By this you can create scene with your own scenario, with your own set. It's help you to create machinima in GTA 5 with Rockstar Editor. So yes, this mode, which is Map Editor, it's very helpful for me in many ways. So yes, you can also download this. Next mode is Scene Director. Scene Director is a mode for GTA 5 especially aimed at recording machinima. In many ways, it's an extension to Director mode and Rockstar Editor. If you want to see how this works, you can watch my short thriller movie With Your Blood by clicking on the I button. This short thriller movie, which is With Your Blood, is made of the involvement of various mods like scene director, map editor and menu trainer, native trainer. I made this movie with using all these mods, and yes, you can watch this movie. It's given on the link and also by clicking on the I button. Our next mode is GTA 5 Remastered. GTA 5 Remastered changed the environment of a game a lot. It enhanced the environment, roads, vegetation, maps and everything. You will surely get an experience of those remastered game with some changes straight out in a GTA 5. So I will suggest you to download this mode for a brand new GTA 5 experience. GTA 5 is still the best, but many of you really got fed up with its graphics and there's no sign of new GTA series. So our next mode, which is Natural Vision. So Natural Vision is a mode, or you can say ENB, which make your game more photorealistic and more pleasing to play. There are various kind of ENB like Redux, Vanilla, so you can find yourself the best ENB, but you have to be very careful, is your system capable for it or not. Next mode is Space Mode. Are you the one who take interest in outer space or astrophysics? Then this mode is for you. This modes allow you to transverse outside of the world of GTA into the solar system and beyond, which is quite interesting to play. So astro lovers, this mode is for you. So our last mode, and it's not a specific mode, this mode's come up with lots of options, which is Superhero Mode, where you can play as a superhero from your favorite movie or comic. Like you can play as a Spider-Man, Iron Man, Hulk. There's a Avenger mode, you can play as a Thor, Flash, which is my favorite, and you can find a lot of options. So I don't want to make this list huge, that's why I put them all in a single list, so you can download the best and favorite character of yours. So guys, these are some of the best mode of GTA 5 since its launch, and you can find the link of all these modes in the description below. And I know there are lots of modes which I didn't mention, which is also best, but for me I prefer these modes. And if you know about any amazing mode like these, let me know in comment section. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you will like this video, and if you have any queries or any question, let me know in comment section. And guys, show your support by clicking subscribe button. We will meet in our next video. Till then, take care.